give you a cold start on the WRX. So pretty much I have finally installed the short throw shifter, the STI OEM short throw shifter on my WRX, and I'm basically just going to be going over how it feels, my first reaction to actually driving the car. And my first reaction is the short throw shifter feels amazing. You know, there's so much crisper, the shifts, like there's 30% shorter, I believe is what it said in the manual, which is amazing. And you can really feel going from, especially 4th to 5th for me, you can feel how much tighter the shifter is and how much shorter the shift actually is. So far I'm very impressed with the overall short throw shifter. At first it didn't even look like it got any shorter, so I was kind of skeptical that it was even in here, but then once you start driving it, you can really feel the difference in from 1st to 2nd, 3rd to 4th, basically every gear. You can really feel the difference in shift, so much shorter, and it also makes your car feel a little faster. If you guys own even like any WRX, but especially 2015 to 2021, I would highly recommend you getting a short throw shifter. It really changes the feel in your car from downshifts to shifting up shifts. It makes your car feel so much smoother, I would say, and also just crisper in general. And like I said earlier, a little faster. So I will do a little pull in a little bit for you where you can actually see. I mean, it's hard to compare because you're not really comparing it to anything before, but you'll see that it's actually a lot smoother, and I really notice it because I drive the car every day. So I just wanted to give you guys a little pull. We're gonna downshift a few pops. I'd like a second gear pull. I think this light might turn red on us, but just kind of, you can see that, or at least I can really feel how quick the shifts are compared to how they were. It feels like when I shift from 3rd to 4th, when I'm up at the high RPMs, it feels like it just keeps going now. It doesn't, like, there's no drop off in between gears as much compared to what it used to be with the regular, just the stock shifter, which was just, they're really long throws. You can see here they're a lot shorter, like 1st, 2nd, a lot shorter, 3rd, 4th. They're all pretty short now, which I really enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That will wrap it up, and that'll basically be just a kind of a POV drive of the new to me STI OEM short throw shifter in my WRX. Let me know what you guys think of the short throw shifter, and would you do it to your car? Are you considering doing it now? I would definitely recommend it to you. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and also comment down below. Let me know, will you do the STI short throw shifter to your car?